In today's video, we will share an indicator with you and show you how to download and set up this indicator. Hope you will watch this video till the end with patience. You will get today's indicator completely free, so if you want to do analysis with this indicator, then don't skip this video. In today's video, we will present A to Z about this indicator. So stay with us, and hello viewers, I am an official member of Forex BD. I hope you all are well. In market analysis, you have seen different patterns in different videos. Many people know how to draw these patterns, and many people don't know, and many people leave comment and want to know how to draw them. As you can see different patterns on the screen, but the happy thing is that the indicator we are going to share today will help you to find this pattern. So this thing is very helpful. In this case, you will save time because you don't have to set them manually anymore. You just click to set up the indicator and immediately these patterns will be drawn, which is very interesting for those who can't do it. So those who are suffering from this kind of problem, please watch the video till the end, and at the end of the video, we will tell you where you can find this indicator. At the beginning, let me show you how to download this indicator. We can see a page on the screen here in the middle. The name of this indicator is written. Its name is Basic Harmonic Pattern, and below you can see a download icon. Here you should click on the download icon. Clicking the download icon will download this indicator on your MT4 platform. You don't need to download it separately and set up it separately. If you download it here, it will be downloaded on your MT4 platform. So we clicked on the download option, then a page came. Here we will click on the yes option. This will open the MT4 platform. And below you can see this indicator in a folder named Market. Let me say one thing. To use the free indicator from this website, you have to open an account here. You can open an account with just your email address. It's not a difficult thing. Just give a nickname and then your email address. If you submit them here, they will send your account details and password to your email. Then you can submit them and log in. However, if you click on the download option here, this indicator will be downloaded. That's why we have to go to the navigator page. The page you see on the left side is called the navigator page. If this page is not there, then click Ctrl+N and this page will come. Then you can see a folder called Market, and inside that folder, you will have the desired indicator. That means the indicator that you downloaded will be here, like the indicator that we set up called Basic Harmonic. If you click once, a page will open, then you have to click on OK option on that page. As soon as you click, this indicator will be set up in your chart. We clicked and this indicator was set up. As you can see, a pattern is nicely formed here. We didn't draw this pattern, we just drew this indicator. And the rest of the work is done by this indicator. If you can do it this way, then you don't have to analyze so hard. This indicator will draw different patterns for you. If you were in the market when this pattern was created, you would have undoubtedly taken entry from here. I hope you have understood the matter. Now you may have a question. Where can you get this indicator? We will provide the link of this indicator in the video description. If you click on that link, the page of this indicator will open. Then you can download it from there. But as I said, it won't be downloaded on your device. It will download on your platform, but you can use it for free that we have shown in this video. So you first draw this indicator in the market. You will have this indicator in the folder named Market. So after downloading this indicator, you will go to the folder named Market. Then you will get this indicator there and set it up from there. After that, this indicator will be set up in your chart. And as you can see here, a pattern is showing. That means this indicator has drawn a pattern. If there is any pattern in the chat, this indicator will draw it for you. There are two types of patterns. One is bullish and the other is bearish. You can surely see that ABCD is written here. Each point of these patterns is written with A, B, C, D. Along with that, the name of the pattern that will be created will also be written. As you can see here, there is written butterfly. That means this pattern you see is a butterfly pattern. Then the pattern you see before it is called girdle, and before that there is another pattern called crab. In this way each pattern is named so you can easily understand everything by using this indicator. Also, this indicator will give instructions where to set up the SL and TP. Like here it is written sell, which means we can take a sell entry from here. Then above there is written SL, it means here to set up SL. Then here is written TP1, TP2, TP3. So you could set up TP in any of these three, but it is better to set up in the first or second option. However, there is a video about this analysis where we have discussed it in detail. You can watch that video to understand this analysis easily. How to do analysis, how to take entries, how to recognize bullish and bearish patterns, we have discussed in that video. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account broker house or payment gateway, you must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pip spread. So be sure to account under the link given below, and if you like this video don't forget to click the like button, because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better, and if you have any suggestions you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.